Hi, welcome to Air Engine Research once again. Today I'm going to do a short video just to show you that I have one of my 4 valve head bodies finished, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like. This is where the rotator shaft will go through. It'll rotate so like so, back and forth. And these are the 2 valve stems, intake and exhaust. The exhaust will come out in this hole here. This plugged hole goes completely through down to this plug, and this hole goes through and meets this hole, and both of them come out into the cylinder that will be screwed into this hole here. So this plug joins this plug and this plug so that the air ends up coming out here. The air inlet goes here, and this just has to be plugged to allow the exhaust to go from the cylinder back through here. And when this is pushed down, it opens this hole and allows the exhaust to come out through here. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like on the inside so that you can see kind of what I'm trying to explain. But anyway, I have one of them done now. So 3 more. Hopefully I don't have any problems. The first one I worked on, I had this hole for the bearing was a little bit too far down, and when I ran this hole, it ended up opening a hole right in the bottom of the valve where the valve stem or the rocker rod goes through it. Well, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for checking in, and if you're interested in following along, please subscribe, check the notification bell, and you'll be notified anytime new information is output.